Hi, welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about a very special subject, and that is what is known in yoga, particularly in my practice of Kundalini yoga, as the yogic number. Now, the yogic number could also be called the cosmic number because you see this significant number repeated all the way across the cosmos, from within ourselves to out to the whole universe. This number of 108 you see in the rosary beads. There are 108 rosary beads in the Christian tradition, just as you see the Tibetan yogis having 108 beads around their neck. These are called the mala beads. The Tibetan monks would repeat, or still repeat to this day, mantras each time they make contact with one of these beads. For example, Om Mani Padme Hum. Now, the significance of 108 relates to the moon, to the sun, to the earth, to the whole cosmos. The one, in my mind, really represents, as it sounds like, the one, the totality, the whole of the universe or the whole of the world. The zero, the nil, of course, represents the nothing, the nothingness, the 0-point energy field as it's now known in quantum physics. The unmanifested realm. So you have the manifested realm of the one and the unmanifested realm of the zero or the nil. And then the 108, represents the union. The union, which actually yoga means union, and this union between the spiritual realm and the material realm, right, the zero and the one, just like binary, is made by the force that springs from the 0-point energy field into creation. It causes creation, and this 8 is what in yoga we call the Kundalini. And my practice, as I say, is called Kundalini, and it actually pulses to the rhythm of 8. And this 8 is an octave that contains the 7 chakras within the human body and the 7 vibrations of life, which we hear as do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and then do returns back to the octave. We see the 7 vibrations of light as, of course, the rainbow, which appears when you fracture a light through a prism, or when the rain falls and the sun shines at the same time, it causes this rainbow. Okay, so, and the 8 very much looks like not only the infinity symbol, which it is symbolic of the eternal flow of the cycle of creation, but the 2 serpents of Ida and Pingala coming together, the lunar and solar forces, the moon and the sun. These forces are not only outside of us, but they're also inside of us as 2 serpentine-like waves that pulse together within us. Okay, now the reason I'm talking about that is also because this number you see in the cosmos, for example, between the moon and us here on planet Earth, the moon will actually fit 108 times. Now, admittedly, these things are always in flux because the Earth and the moon and the sun and everything in the cosmos is always in these cycles, these elliptical cycles, but some of the time, and roughly on average, you can fit 108 moons between the moon and the earth. That is incredible. But not only that, the relationship is the same between the sun and the earth. You can fit 108 suns between the sun and the earth. Now that is remarkable. A lot of the time, the variation is, only slight from one side to the other. And then, believe it or not, you can actually fit 108 Earths inside the sun, right across the diameter of the sun from one side to the other. you can fit exactly 108 Earths. So this number really is an incredible thing. It points us to the miracle of creation and how perfect everything is, because as you know, despite the fact that the moon is very close to us and the sun is very, very far away, they appear absolutely the same size to the point that they eclipse each other. So it's just another thing for us to marvel at in the mysteries of the universe, the mysteries of the moon in conjunction with our Earth, and of course the sun, which the moon reflects. Absolutely wonderful. Dive deep into it and let me know if you want me to make another course on 108. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.